New Zealand shelf is sitting at a very interesting location right now. And what happened next could tell us exactly where this market wants to go. But there is one thing I am waiting for before I become fully bullish, and I will show you that in this analysis. Let's start with the daily time frame, because that is where I get my directional bias from. On the daily chart, we have a demand zone that managed to break a downward trend line and also break market structure to the upside. Whenever a demand is responsible for removing a trend line and creating a bullish break of structure, it immediately gets my attention because it shows buyers are stepping into the market aggressively. Now look closely at this liquidity level. Price has already reacted from this area twice, which tells me there are buyers interested in defending this zone. However, before I become extremely confident, I would love to see another reaction into the liquidity. Why? Because that would confirm there are still stop losses resting below the area and that institutions are still interested in using that liquidity before moving price higher. Another thing supporting this bullish case is this upward trend line. Notice how price continue to respect it. As long as the trend line remains intact, buyers are still in control of the market. And while buyers remain in control, looking for demand on the lower time frames give us a much higher probability setup. Moving down to the 4-hour chart, we have a demand zone located at 0.45906 and 0.45838. This demand zone was responsible for removing a downward trend line, which is a very positive sign. And if you look at the move away from the base, the departure was explosive. That is exactly the kind of momentum I like to see from a quality demand zone. Initially, I expect price to revisit this area for a potential buying opportunity, but instead, the market creates a higher low and continue moving. Because of that, my confidence in this zone has reduced slightly. At this stage, I am no longer aggressive looking to buy from this area. The only thing that would increase my confidence again is seeing price react from the nearby liquidity and show that buyers are still defending this section of the market. Now let's refine everything on the 1-hour chart. On this time frame, we had a downward trend line that was removed and structure was broken by a demand zone located at 0.46202 and 0.46154. What I like about this zone is the structure behind it. First, it's a rally-based rally demand zone. Second, the basin is clean. And third, we have liquidity sitting just before the zone, which gives institutions an opportunity to grab stop losses before pushing price higher. So if my daily bullish bias remain valid, this is the area I will be watching closely for buying opportunity. If price tap into the demand zone and show bullish confirmation, we could see another reaction higher. However, we also need to stay flexible. If the demand zone fail and breaks, conversely, then any supply zone responsible for breaking it will immediately become an area of interest for short position. Remember, we don't predict the market, we simply follow what price is telling us. My overall bias remain bullish because of the daily structure, the broken trend line and the respected ascended trend line. The 1 hour demand zone at 0.46202 and 0.46154 is currently my key area of interest, but the biggest confirmation I am waiting for is another reaction from the liquidity on the higher time frame. If that happens, it will significantly increase my confidence in the bullish scenario. Let me know in the comment section, are you bullish or bearish on New Zealand shelf right now?